Welcome to the PWC. We're the wellness team.
We have so much to look forward to here at the PWC, and we're so excited to have you here.
As you can see, we have 32 Olympic racks in our weight room. We also have cable machines and free weights. We also have our 40-yard turf field and over 80 pieces of aerobic equipment. And a cardio fitness studio where we host yoga, Zumba, and other things. And in order to make the most of your PWC experience, we're going to go through some expectations. When coming to the PWC, be kind and bring a positive vibe.
Welcome in. When using equipment, always remember to rack your weights. Putting your weights back doesn't just stop using the rack. When you're using free weights, also please remember to put them back in the appropriate place.
If you ever have any questions about how to use any of the equipment, feel free to ask any of the wellness coaches here in the PWC.
Hey coach, can you show me a few exercises with this piece of equipment?
Sure, man, I'd be happy to.
Always keep groups of 4 to each rack, and don't forget to bring the energy. At the PWC, it's a great opportunity to meet new friends and balance stress.
Coming here supports both your physical and mental well-being. We're looking forward to seeing you here.
Let's make it a great year, Stevenson.